Hello, today we will guide you through how to download copies of a past return in H&R Block. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on where to go inside your H&R Block online account to locate and download copies of tax returns you filed in previous years. You should already be signed in and on the main dashboard of the do-it-yourself product before we begin. From the main menu, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation panel with sections that organize the different parts of your tax experience. Here, you're looking specifically for the area labeled Previous Taxes. This section is dedicated to your historical filings within this account, making it the quickest way to find returns you've already completed. Select Previous Taxes to open the page. This brings up a list of tax years associated with your current login. When you have past returns in this account, each year will appear in a simple list, usually with options to view, print, or download. The download option is what you use to save a copy to your computer as a PDF. It's helpful to choose a clear file name and store it in a secure folder so you can find it later for things like loan applications, school forms, or when preparing next year's taxes. If you do not immediately see any years listed, that typically means no returns have been filed under this specific account yet. That's the case in our example today, where this is a new account used for demonstration, so the download options do not appear. If your screen looks similar, first confirm you're signed into the same account you used to file in the past. Many people have more than one login, so double-checking can save time. When your prior years are visible, select the year you need, then choose the available download or view and print option. Viewing it first can be helpful if you want to verify you've opened the correct return before saving. Once the file is downloaded, consider keeping both a local copy and a backup in a secure cloud location. And remember, if you're working on a shared or public computer, avoid saving sensitive files there and clear your downloads when you're done. That's all there is to it. Navigate to the main menu, go to Previous Taxes on the left, open the page, and use the download option for the year you need. With these steps, you can quickly access your past returns whenever you need them.